In this video, you'll learn how to back up your Slack messages effectively. This process ensures that you retain important conversations and files for future reference. Start by navigating to your Slack workspace, open the Slack application or visit the Slack website. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the necessary features. If prompted, enter your credentials to sign in. Once you're in your workspace, locate the sidebar on the left side of the screen. Find and click on the admin option, which is usually represented by a gear icon or labeled directly as admin. This action will direct you to the administrative settings of your workspace. After accessing the admin panel, look for the workspace settings option, click on it to proceed. This section contains various settings related to your workspace management, including data export. In the workspace settings, find and select Import Export Data. This section allows you to manage data exports from your Slack workspace. Click on it to view the options available for exporting your messages. Next, click on the Export button. This will initiate the process of exporting your messages and files. Be aware that the export feature may vary depending on your subscription plan, as some features may be restricted in the free version of Slack. You will see a message indicating that messages and files can be exported from your workspace with a standard export. Familiarize yourself with what is included in the export, as this will help you understand the data you will receive. Included in the export are messages and file links sent in public channels, as well as app activity. However, note that private channel messages and direct messages are not included in a standard export. This is an important consideration if your conversations occur in private settings. To specify the date range for the export, click on Export Date Range. This will allow you to select the time frame for the messages you wish to back up. Choose the last 24 hours option or another range that suits your needs. Once you have selected the desired date range, click on Start Export. This will prompt Slack to begin generating your export file. Depending on the amount of data, this process may take some time, so be patient as the export is prepared. After the export process begins, you will see a message indicating that your export is now being generated. Slack will send you an email notification once the export is ready for download, keeping you informed of the progress. If you wish to try backing up Slack messages, a link is available in the description below for easy access. This guide provides you with all the necessary steps to ensure your important Slack messages are safely backed up. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.